Hi, welcome back to Plus 65 Rashid. Today I'm going to continue the 4x4 Rubik's tutorial. It's part 2 time now. So, in the last video, we saw all the center pieces are done. All the centers are done. So, the next step is some edge pairing. I usually start the edges with the white in them. So you can choose any color, but I'm going to choose white. So here is the edge, white, blue. So we have to find another white, blue edge. Another white, blue edge. See, it's a white, blue. And another white, blue is just beside it. So if it's like this, it's the case we don't want. We need this piece to go here. When it's like this, you have to do this move. R, and then U, L dash, then F, then L. And now it's diagonal. It's diagonal, so we match it up with this one. Oh, but we break the centerpiece. I'll tell you that later. So we put it up and replace it with a broken pair. A broken pair, and now to slide it down and to fix our middle layer. Back to fix our middle layer. See, the white blue is done now. The white blue is done. Next, I'll move on to the one that is red, white. It's again this thing. Red, white is here, and the opposite is the same. I will do the same move again. R, U, L dash, F, L. Now it's diagonal. If you want, you can do right to left, but if you want, you can do left to right. But I'm going to choose anyone, it's okay. So it's now we slide it up and to fix it with a broken pair. And to fix our middle layer, we turn it back. Now wait a second, where is that? We're done this pair. Now white, orange. White, orange is here. So another white, orange is so hard to find. So I'll just continue it later. White, green, another white, green. Now where is another white? It's here, white, green. So it's again this way. So this moves up. R, U, L, F, and then L. And now, see, it's diagonal. It's like this. Up, slide, down, and do it like this. And we're done. That piece. And now the last in the whites. It is the orange and white. The orange and white. It's here. It's the last. So it's easy to find. Again I do that move. See now? It's like this diagonal. Slide it. We only have one left. This broken pair. Now do it. Now it's all. That piece. We're all done the white bits, right? If we put them all in circle, we are done, right? See, we're all done the white bits. So we have to slide it down to the whites. Here's green and here's white. So white, green fits here. White, green is done. The green is opposite is always blue. So the blue is done. Now it's orange and this thing. Oh, it's already fixed. And now the last one. The last one is easy. And now, see where we have to make a white plus. If you have any corners matched like this, it's okay. That's what we want. If you don't have a place, then it takes a longer time. So now, all the white place is done. So on the top is blue and the next is red. So blue, red we have to match now. Blue, red is here, blue, red is here. So let's make it up. It's already diagonal. So we put it together, slide it up with the other pair, and done. So the thing is, the blue and red is done. But we messed up with the place. Doesn't matter if the plus messed up. So we put the white down. The blue and the red is done. So I leave it that. Now red and green we have to find. Red and green is here, and another red and green is actually another red and green. It's here. One red and green, another red and green. It's diagonal. So we do the same thing. For now, I'm gonna make the other things solve. But you solve them, you have to solve them. This thing's done. Now the green and orange. Now it's the green and orange's time. Bam, 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 bam. Bang. Now it's green and this thing is always on this and this thing. Now, if you have these things, if you have all of these things, all of the pairs done in the top side, then leave it. Then we have to slice there. Now you can see, no, not this. And then, now you can see what the. Now I will slice this piece, and now it's paired. See? And if all the pieces are paired, then we just flip the cube. And then there's a broken piece. So a broken piece. Now you can slice it back. This is done, this is done, this is done, this is done. Now only the yellows are left. Dun, 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 dun. Everything is done. Bam, bam, ba, boom. Anyway, in this situation, I'm slicing this. Now there are no pieces left, the broken pairs. If I flip the cube, here is not even broken pieces. So we just slice it back, and we will see if there are more broken pieces in this row. There is one. So we bring it up, so we have a broken piece. And now we just merge this one, replace it with a broken pair, and done. So far, we are done everything. But 1 second. If you have your the last two edge pieces that are not matched, you have to do this. You have to do this move. DD, that means take these two things here, the bottom two layers here, and then DD, then right, then F dash, F apostrophe, then U, then R dash, F, and then DD reverse. It's an anti-clockwise. You can see it or not. If you can, then you follow that. And that is actually the second step. But it's not finished yet. So after we're done all the edge pieces, now put the white things, all the edge pieces to white. All the edge pieces to white, and you have to match them correctly. If you don't match them correctly, then your cube will not solve properly. And then here's blue and whites, blue, whites. It's here. So we just slice down. And now this thing, orange and white. Orange and white is here. So we just down and down. And now we see the plus. And now it's matched with these things. And that is actually the second step.